Hi everyone, I hope you're all doing well. Did you guys watch my latest vlog? If you have, you probably saw that I scored something from Hermes and it is a bag. So I'm super excited to show you which bag I got, how I got it. It is something very unexpected, so if you're curious, keep watching. It's a style that I do not have, but I really was curious to try. So let's see how many of you can guess as well. Comment down below before I reveal the bag. Also, don't forget to come follow me on my Instagram, where you can see my new purchases, how I style them, my daily outfits on my stories. Come say hi. I would love to see you there as well. All right, let's get started. Alright, so here is the box. As you can tell, it is a small box and it has the new 2024 ribbon. This is my very first bag from Hermes directly from the store this year. I did buy very recently another bag, the Picotan Cargo, that was on top of my wish list this year, but that one I got through a reseller. So I'll link my unboxing if you've missed it. But I'm super excited to show you what's hiding in here. It's a bag, as I mentioned, that I really wanted to try out. A new style for me, very casual. Am I giving it away? I'm sure many of you can already tell what's in here. It is the mini Evelyne bag, also known as the TPM size 16. This is the smallest size and it is in the most beautiful Hermes gold color. Mine is with silver hardware, as you can see, but the hardware on the Evelyne bags is so minimal you can barely notice it, so I didn't mind it. And inside, so it has, this is the back. Well, this is actually the front of the bag. I'm gonna talk about it in a bit. And then inside we have another bag with the strap. So this is the strap. It is a fabric strap and also the hardware is silver. Isn't this the cutest entry-level bag from Hermes? I'm saying entry-level because this is considered to be the cheapest handbag from Hermes and also the easiest to get. I have a friend who has been after one of these for a couple of months and she goes to Hermes so often and they always say they don't have any in stock. But I think if you have a well-established profile at Hermes and you have been shopping with the same SA, it will be quite easy to get one of these. They always have them. We all know they have them in the back. It is so cute. It is very plain, basic design. It is made of Clemence leather, which is very durable. It has a larger grain. It is actually considered, I'm not a pro in Hermes leathers, but from what I've heard, it is considered to be one of the heaviest leathers. So if you have a larger bag, you would probably be able to tell that it will weigh a lot more than, let's say, a Togo leather, Epsom. However, in this case, this bag is super lightweight. It is so tiny, so you can't really feel the weight. The quality is absolutely amazing. In my opinion, the price is so good for the quality you get and the craftsmanship. Although Hermes had a few price increases, I believe a couple of years ago this bag used to be about 1,200, 1,300, something like that. From what I've heard, I've never tried to get one of these before, but I've heard that was the price approximately. Now the current price, I just bought this last week, so I paid 1,660, which is still, in my opinion, really good price. That's what also makes them so desirable, because people can see how a luxury bag is supposed to feel and look. And yeah, you can even see that in the most basic Hermes designs. So I've been curious about this bag for quite some time now. I don't know why I didn't pull the trigger earlier and got one earlier. Me and my SA joked about it and they said that if I've listened to them earlier, because they have been talking about this bag since I actually started shopping with them, they have been telling me how good this bag is and I should try it. And we were joking the other day and my SA said, oh, if you listened to me earlier, you would have probably had quite a big collection of these by now, because these come in so many different colors, different hardwares, different finishes, fabric, suede. So I think this won't be my only one. I'm sure that I will eventually add more of these little guys in my collection. And it is such an easy bag to wear. I will show you how it looks on me. I do find the strap, I'm not gonna lie, a bit long. For reference, I'm 170, so I wish it was maybe slightly shorter, but I know there are so many tricks. You can search here on YouTube and see how you can shorten the strap of your Evelyne bags. You can braid it, you can wear it as a shoulder bag. There are so many different ways. You can even buy on eBay or like Amazon one of those buckles to like thread through the fabric strap to adjust the length. I've even seen some people tie it in a knot. I'm not gonna do that. I'll either braid it or buy one of these buckles to adjust the strap. But yeah, this is the strap. It is fabric, very casual again. You clip it onto here, but you can also very easily put a twilly and wear it as a top handle bag. I have also seen many people do that. You can also add a completely different strap as well, like a chain strap. So I love that you can wear it multiple different ways, so that's great. I'm super excited to wear this bag and try it out and see if it will work for me. This is the inside of the bag. It is suede, and although it is a small size, as I mentioned, it does come in different sizes. I believe it comes in 4 different sizes. This is the smallest one. I have only seen the size up in boutiques. I haven't seen like the very large sizes, but in my opinion, this is the perfect size for everyday. If you're looking for a cute everyday bag, this is perfect. It will fit all your essentials, and yeah, very quick, easy access. So as you guys know, Hermes is an equestrian brand, so this bag was actually designed to hold the tools for the horses. So the horse groomers were putting all the tools like brushes inside this bag, and that's why we have the hose here for ventilation. And actually this is supposed to be the back, but as you guys know, I'm sure you have seen many people wear it with the H on the front. This is supposed to be the front of the bag with the clip closure. But yeah, as I said, many people prefer to wear it this way. I'm going to wear it this way. I love the H, it's very cute, and I love the perforated hose. I think it's a nice touch. How did I get this bag? Well, it was quite easy. I have a good relationship with my SA, and they asked me what I was looking for. I told you that day, if you watch my vlog, I already had something in mind, so I either wanted to get another picotin or an Evelyne, but I was actually wanting to get this more because I already have a picotin and I wanted to try another style from Hermes, and my SA always encourages me to try out their other bags because they have so many different designs. So I mentioned this bag and my SA was like, what? I've been telling you about this bag for so long, finally. And they pulled out another one that was like on the display just for me to try on and see how I like it, because I have actually never ever tried this bag before, believe it or not. So my SA pulled out the one on the display. I tried it on. It was in a bright green color. I actually quite like that color. I think it's a new color for this season. And I was like, okay, do you have one in stock? I really like it. And yeah, my SA showed me that they had 4 different colors. Yes, 4 different colors. So I had a choice between a tube with gold hardware, but it had a contrasting blue strap, which I didn't like. Then the gold, there was also a yellow, but very like vibrant yellow, and orange. So at the end I picked this because I thought it's very classic, very neutral, although it has silver hardware. As I said, it's very minimal, so I think it will work perfectly with my wardrobe. And quickly I wanted to compare my other brown bags to this one. As you guys know, I have the famous Caramel 21P from Chanel. I don't actually reach for this brown at all. And this one, as you can see, is a much deeper brown which I know I will reach for a lot more. I feel that this color suits me a lot more. This is a bit more washed out. My most worn brown bag is this one from Chanel, and I much more prefer it to the classic flap. It is very rich brown, and look at this. Aren't they so similar? So automatically I knew I would gravitate towards this shade of brown a lot, and that's the reason I also picked it. I love the Hermes Gold. I think it's such a beautiful brown. They nailed it. That's why it's their most popular color, most wanted color. And yeah, this is my newest bag. Let me know what you guys think in the comments down below. Alright guys, that's all. I really hope you enjoyed this quick unboxing of my newest Hermes bag. Newest baby to my H family. I'm so excited to wear it and try out the Evelyne bag. Let me know your thoughts. Do you have one? How do you find it? It will be very helpful. So leave your comments. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you very soon in my next video. Bye!